let's go over how to draw a skull, kind of like a female skull, like a skull with long hair. Not that that's necessarily female, but you know what? We're going to do it. Let's get started, all right? It's going to be simple, relatively easy, and for beginners, okay? So I'm going to go over here and draw a kind of square, rounded square like that for one of the eye sockets. Going over here at the top of the nasal cavity, down. Down over here, curve underneath, up. Go over here to the other side, curve out, down, curve in, here. Gonna fill in all of these. These are all gonna be filled in. I think there's one in here that works. A lot of these are like, there we go. A lot of these are dried out markers. Right on, fill it in here. Cool. Gonna go over here, draw the zygomatic arch on this side, which is a cheekbone. Zygomatic arch on this side, cheekbone. Line down, line down. Down over here, and I'm gonna draw the edge of the teeth here. Pulling up over here, curve, up over here, curve. And I'm gonna go over here and find the hairline in the middle. Pull a line down over here. And I'm gonna just curve it all over the place on that side. Thinking about it like drapery almost. Curve, curve, curve. Curve here. Line over here. All right, that's that side. Gonna go over here to the other side. Line over here. Curve down. Curve down here as well. Just kind of finding the top of the hair here. Down. Curve up. Line over here. Line striations in the hair on that side, striations in the hair on this side, right? You got to go with the flow, right? The flow of the hair is important. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to pull out the teeth here. And I'm going to draw a little line over here. Line over here as well for the gums. A dimple here. And I'm going to find the back end right there, the back side of the skull. I'm going to fill that in dark to kind of give it some gravitas, some weight. A line over here, a line over here, a line over here. Curve line here, curve line here. Line over here. And everything after this is pretty much just detail, right? I'm going to throw more striations in the direction of the hair. Really think of the flow and what direction it's going. Right, just throwing a few more striations. Nothing too wild. And that's pretty much it. It looks more like Fabio or something rather than like elegant female hair, to be honest. But you know, I'm just gonna call it that in the thumbnail. It looks more like a skull with a wig on. One thing I want you to do is I want you to press like on the video if you do like it, and press like on any other video, by the way. This channel lives on likes. It literally lives on likes. It's the only thing keeping the channel afloat during the off season, because the off season, you know, because the title of the channel is Halloween drawings, tends to be slower on the off season. But when you press like, it shoots it out the algorithm more and it helps the whole channel out. If not, thank you. Maybe you know, please donate if you can, if you really enjoyed the channel. The link's in the description or the PayPal. And every single thing I get from there, I use back on the channel for markers. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and say hi to me in the comment section, and I will say hi back to every single comment. Later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.